Hello, designers. Not every gift basket you make is going to include all boxed items, which is what you see here. This is a gift that was made by one of the commercial companies that are known for making gift baskets, so that they've had lots of time to research and develop how to structure this entire design. And certainly that doesn't say that you can't do the same. The point is that sometimes when you don't have all boxed items, you're going to have soft packaged items, the kind that can bend at the corners, such as right here at the top right and here at the top left, where edges bend in because you have a packaged item that isn't totally filled with product. And those bent edges can, to you, in your eye, make your design look not so great. And that's not what you want. Here, again, there's no items that are bent in, but they could have been bent in. These are items that I made some time ago for a Houston event, video event, television event. And I could have had bent areas here, but I happened to position the cellophane properly so that nothing was bent or looked crushed or anything like that. So what do you do when you don't have items that are packaged that are in the back, that are tall, but don't have enough product at the top? You know how potato chips and everything else will settle to the bottom of the bag. You want your products and your design to always look great. You can, if you want, as a way to fix it, put some kind of enhancement, some kind of firm enhancement in the back of your basket to keep items looking nice and sharp. Items meaning the goodies. These are palmetto leaves, and they are gold colored where they're gold colored. Some of the gold brushing came off here on one of the leaves, but that was okay. The front of the leaves look great. These leaves happen to be gold colored, but they come in many other colors, from blues to greens to every color. So that could be something that you put in the basket to help to stabilize the back of the gift. Also, in a spa basket, this could have been a gift that had the wrong structure. And you can see a palmetto leaf over here on the right. What I did in this basket was to inflate, this is a spa basket again, I inflated the pillow, the bath pillow, so that helped to stand the cellophane properly and to give the design a good look at the top. You can also take cardboard, any kind of cardboard that you get. You'll have to customize the cardboard by cutting it with scissors so that it fits in the back of your basket, and then cover the cardboard with any color tissue paper that matches and complements the gift that you are creating. So cardboard can be such a great friend. If I didn't have the inflated pillow here, I would have put a piece of cardboard that fit in the back of the basket, back where you don't see it, but in the back of the basket, tall enough so that it could be the stabilization for the items that are inside. And in this spa basket, you'll see also slippers. There's a candle in here somewhere and some other things that are spa-like. But the cardboard is a great friend. So keep cardboard in mind. Keep all types of cardboard, whether it is thick or thin, so that you can put it in every basket from baby to bereavement, so that when you do not have a basket that's full of boxed items and containered items, you can still create the gift basket that looks great with items that are packaged not to the top, but you need some stabilization support in the back to help the items that are packaged to still look fresh and gorgeous in your gift baskets. Is this a problem that you've had in the past, that now that you hear that cardboard or palmetto leaves can be a friend and helpful to you, does that help support your designs? Or have you been using something else to support the items that can look a bit tattered at the top corners. Let me know in the comments. Also, let me know by a like if this is the kind of information that you prefer that helps you to create gorgeous gift baskets and gift boxes. This is Shirley George Frazier wishing you baskets of success.